Hello everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
So hello everyone. Very good afternoon, good morning, good evening, whichever location you are. Hope you are able to see me and you are able to hear me. I request everyone to come on screen. I think we have almost everybody joined. Vedant, welcome. Naja, welcome. Everybody come on screen quickly. Kanak, okay, I can see Kanak also now. Who else? Yes, Priyanka, I can see. Good. Vedant, Naja, Kanak and Priyanka. And we also have today Zia, the first class for Zia. Hi Zia,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm good.
Good. Just you want to give one line, two line introduction about yourself? Just
Yeah, sure. So my name is Gia, and I am in Canada, Toronto, Canada. I live in city Burlington.
thank you. Thank you for your introduction. Did you get a chance to watch videos of the previous classes?
Yeah, I watched them yesterday.
Perfect.
Yeah, and I'm in grade 8.
Grade 8. Okay. So welcome everybody. Let's welcome Gia for this session. So guys, good thing is from today we are going to start the new topic, the new chapter. But as usual, I gave you homework. Hope everyone has done the homework. And we'll discuss first 5 to 7 minutes doubts. And then from today onwards, the next 3 sessions, we are going to master the algebra at your grade level, the mid school math. Okay. So let's start. So feel free to ask me as many questions as you have, but in an organized way. What I mean is, the homework was from question number 31 onwards. Tell me, let me share. Yes, you should be able to see my screen now. So tell me quickly, anybody has, see, I don't want to match your answers. No, that is a calculation you can do at home. But any conceptual level doubt, any key kind of, you can say, understanding problem, please ask me. Question number 31, 32, 33, any doubt in any first 3 questions anywhere? Those kind of questions. No? Perfect. Question number 34 is about conversion, 34 to 40. Is everyone able to convert all this, sorry, non-terminating decimals into the fraction, right? No problem at all. Gia, did you try some homework? I know it was like you was so.
I wasn't able to do it. I didn't see the video.
No problem. So what you can do is, no worries. So you can take 1 week more, go through the videos 1, 2, and 3, and try to see how many questions you can solve. If any problem, you can always come back. You can. This is also in the system to pose the questions, but you can always reach out to me, or you can tell me in the class. You can ask. Okay, is everyone? Perfect. So
sir, I have a doubt in question number 34.
34. Mayank, 34?
Yes, sir.
So Mayank, if 34 you cannot do, then what about next one? 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. All are similar. So I'll explain one question and then remaining you can do, okay? The concept is the same concept. 5.2222. How many digits are repeating?
Sir, 1.
1 digit. So you will multiply with
10.
10. So if y is this, 10y is 52.22. Correct? To subtract from 10y, you subtract y, you get 9y. From 52, you subtract 5, 47. 47 over 9. That's it. All the questions is like this, right?
Yes, sir.
So 34 to 40, it's all same. Vedant, you're able to do it? Good. So now 41 to 50 were like more kind of a surge, like combination of rational and irrational numbers, simplifying those and all. Tell me from 41 to 45, how many of you have any doubt in first 5 questions, 41 to 45? Ask me quickly. Anybody, any question from 41 to 45?
Sir, 45th question.
45th question. Multiply 3 root 2 with 5 root 2. The rule for multiplication is simple. Roots with roots and rational with rational. 3 root 2 multiply by 5 root 2. What is 3 times 5?
15.
50. What is root 2 times root 2?
Root 4.
And what is the square root of root 4?
2 into 2.
The square root of 4 is 2. How much we
Two.
got here? 3 times 15. 3 times 5 is 15. So 15 times 2, 30. Right?
Okay, sir.
Perfect. Anybody any other doubt on this? No? Yes, Vedant, please ask me.
For question 43, for when you're adding square roots with and irrationals with other square roots and irrationals, do you have to do square root by square root again, or?
In addition subtraction, the rule is about like and unlike. Correct?
Oh, okay.
Yes. So 7 root 3 and 9 root 3 are like terms. You can add them. 5 root 2 and 3 root 2 are like terms. You can subtract them. You cannot combine like with unlike. Right?
Yeah.
Perfect. Any other question? Tell me from 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Anybody, any doubt? Feel free. Come in.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, except 48, everything else I got wrong.
Except 43, you got everything is wrong.
No, 48 in the last
Okay.
question.
From 46 to 50 wrong. So it's about what is the rule for multiplication and division. Very simple. You multiply irrational with irrational, rational with rational. For example, suppose say which question we should do? 46?
So 50,
50.
that's the one that
50 is
confused
one
me.
of the most difficult one. 5 plus root 3. So let me do in the whiteboard. Okay, we'll do 50 question and then you can, anybody can ask me. 50 question are a little difficult. Oh, is able to copy paste. Great. So now listen how it happens. It requires, and same thing we are going to do algebra also in higher classes. How you multiply the expressions. Here it's simple. Rule is, so this is how it is. So I'm going to ask everyone, how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Correct? First you multiply 5 with 5. What is 5 to 5? 25. Then you multiply 5 with 2 root 3. 5 times 2 root 3. And negatives there. So negative. What is 5 times 2? 10 root 3. Because there is no number in the root in the first one. So 5 times 2 and just root 3. Right, Anja? Now
Sir,
you
please
multiply.
explain this once more.
Sorry. We are doing
Sir,
question
please
number 2.
explain this once more.
So first you understand everybody the method. Okay. The method is, listen carefully. First number you multiply with this, and first number you multiply with this. Correct? You get two answers. Then second number you multiply with again this, and second number you again multiply with this. You get two more answers. You get totally 4 terms, right? It's like the rule is everything with everything. Each number is going to multiply with any other. So now let's start. 5 times 5, 25. 5 times 2 root 3. When you multiply 5 times 2 root 3, what do you get? 5 times 2 is 10 and root 3 as it is. Correct or not? We learned a lot in last class. So go and watch the video. 5 times root 3 into root 3, 2 is the rational. So root 3 is the irrational, correct? Multiply 5 with 2, you get 10. Root 3 as it is. Now 2 root 3 with 5 plus 2 into 5, 10. Root 3 again remain as it is. This is a higher level stuff, guys. Grade 9 stuff. Okay. So, and lastly multiply 2 root 3 with 2 root 3. What is 2 times 2? 4. What is root 3 times root 3? Root 9, which is 3. Now this and this will cancel because one is positive, one is negative. What is remaining? 25 minus 4 times 3, 12. This was most difficult question. So even if you got stuck, that's fine. But the rule has to be clear how to multiply. Every number with every number. We are going to learn more in algebra. The only thing you have to remember is you have to multiply rational with rational, irrational with rational. For example, I'll ask you one question. 3 root 5 multiply with 2 root say 7. What you do, Jay? Tell me the concept. Vedant. And Nishita is missing today. Vedant, how we approach this kind of question? Multiplication.
So because it's multiplication, we have to do
3 times 2.
yeah, 3 times 2, which is 6,
And root
and
5 times
5
root
by
7.
7, which is 14.
That's it. Correct? But Mayank, if I change the quotient and I write just 3 root 5 into 2, so there is only one number with a rational number. So you do again 3 times 2, 6. Root 5, nothing to multiply. So root 5, that's what I was saying. Keep root 5 as it is. Or, yes, please. Ask
Sir,
me.
in the 50 question, I understood till 25 and 10 root 3 and 4 root 9. Till that I understood. But
After
when
that,
you,
we just cancel it out. We simplify the expression. See, this was there, right?
yes, sir.
You got this term, you got this term, you got this term, you got this one. Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Now, minus 10 root 3 plus 10 root 3 are same, only in the opposite sign. So from this you subtract, this becomes 0. So these both are gone. It's
Yes,
like
sir.
if I say 5 minus 5, 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Or if I say minus 5 plus 5, they are also 0, right?
Yes, sir.
This is gone. What is remaining? 25. How much is 4 times 3?
Okay, sir.
Same thing.
Thank you.
You are going to learn more on algebra. This is the multiplying expression. So hold on there. Your only objective in last session was multiplying irrational number. Okay. I'll do a last example. I want everyone to be sure. 3 times 4 root 5. What should be the answer, guys? We need only this. Mayank, Naja, Vedant, Kanak, anyone. Priyanka, anyone. Yes, Vedant.
12 root 5.
Because first rational with rational, 3 times 4, 12. Irrational, but there is no irrational here. So write irrationalize it. That's it. So simple. So in the last question, we're done like this. Okay. So tell me now, from first 50 question, all good, everyone? So keep watching videos. Okay. You have the access for this, and keep watching as many times as you get, so you'll get down and try to solve problem. Let's start today a new topic, and this will be like, it will go for next 3 classes, including today. Algebra. We are going to learn grade 8 algebra. We are going to learn grade 9 algebra. What is algebra? Gia, any idea? What is algebra? Have you learned? Have you thought about? Have you heard about algebra? What is algebra?
I heard about algebra,
What does it mean? What is your understanding of algebra?
like division and multiplication.
Yes, that is happen everywhere. But what is specific to algebra? Vedant, Kanak, Naja. Yes, Naja.
Sir, for algebra, we use alphabets and to
Right. Till
Yeah.
now, whatever you learned from grade 1 to grade 2 to grade 3, 4, 5 is all arithmetic. Because use only numbers in the arithmetic, right? Yes, Vedant. But in algebra, you're going to use
Also know
numbers.
I
And
also,
yes, tell me, Vedant.
sorry. I also know that there's different names for each of the things in the algebraic expressions, like
Yes,
a variable, which is the letter, and
Yeah,
then
you
there's
are right. You are right.
the first number is the coefficient, I think.
We're going to talk about all this, Vedant. You are right. So if you ask a very, very basic question, what is algebra, what is arithmetic? We'll talk only about numbers, arithmetic. So right from your school days, from grade 1 till grade 3, grade 4, 5, you don't know arithmetic. But in the moment you start using symbols is what? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, alpha, beta, gamma, or anything which you want. You start using numbers, symbols, it becomes algebra. Correct? So like Vedant was saying, there are 2 very important things in algebra. So everybody please learn and please understand these 5 terms. If you understand this, your algebra will be very easy. First, understand what is variables, what is constant. We'll talk about it. Then we'll learn about what is equation or expression. We'll not take too much time on that. We are also going to learn terms and coefficient. And lastly, degree. Believe me, even lot of people now, they are in college. Gia, you will not believe, but lot of people who are in college, 20 years, 25 years. So many people I have met, I have taught so many people, they are still confused about. Especially they are confused about these two things. So my sincere request is, next 15 minutes, if you are able to understand this very clearly, believe me, algebra will be very easy. Very easy. Just this 6 things. Okay? So ask me as many questions as you can, because this is the core of algebra. So as I said, algebra is about numbers and symbols. So what is variables and constant? Very easy. What is variables? What is constant? Constant is whose value never change. Correct? Constants are those whose value never change. For example, 5, the digit 5. So tell me, Priyanka, tomorrow when you wake up, will 5 become 6 or will remain 5? Correct? Or whether in Canada or in India or in Australia, 5 remains 5 or 5 becomes 20? No, right? Because it's a constant, right? Yes? It's a constant. The constant means whose value never change. Then what is variables? Very simple. You say, sir, value can change. As it is, value can change. That's what we call variable. Change. Value can change. You might be wondering, sir, how value can change, right? So I'll explain. For example, tomorrow if I say a plus 2 equal to 7. So what is value of a here? 5, correct? A plus 2 is 7 means how much you add to 2 to become 7? A is 5. Right? Maja? But tomorrow Gia say, no, sir, I will write a plus 3 equal to 20. You can. So a equal to 70. See the value change, right? Earlier a was something else, now a is 70. Because you are assigning the values to variable. That's what they call it. So if somebody asks what is algebra, you say only two things. Algebra is about variables and constants. It's about alphabets and numbers. No, you can use A, B, C, D, E, F, G, you can use alpha, beta, gamma, you can use Hindi language, Telugu language, you can use Swedish, Spanish, any language character you can. You can also say, sir, I don't like characters or like English alphabet, I will use like this. Like $+5 equal to 30. This is also algebra. I'm not using alphabet, I'm using the symbols, correct? You can use anything. Tomorrow somebody says, sir, no, sir, I don't want that. See, algebra is about symbols. Somebody says, sir, this, something, +1 equal to 7. So what is this? This is 6. So this I never said alphabet. I said it's about symbols. Symbols can be English alphabets, Hindi alphabets, your language alphabets, Greek, anything what you want. Or any diagram you make. What is algebra? It's about symbols and numbers. Clear? What a variable constant? Value can change, value can never change. All the numbers are constant. Agree? Tomorrow if Gia doesn't change her name, Gia's name is gone. But tomorrow Gia renames her, then become variable. It's all about that. Right, Kanak? So, two things are very easy. Variables, constant. What is equation and what is expression? First, I'll explain what is expression. It's not a small thing. Whatever you write in algebra, suppose you write 2x plus 3y. It's expression. Suppose you write 5x minus 2a plus 3b minus 7. It's also an expression. Expression is collection of all terms. We'll talk about terms. Expression is all algebraic terms together. We'll talk about it a lot today. If I say 5 minus 3, 5 minus 6k, is also expression. But the moment I say 2x plus 3y equal to 5. This become equation. Because the only rule is equation will always have equal to sign. So in all these 5 examples, only the last one is a equation. Because equation has a equal to sign. Equation has a equal to sign. So let me give you one more example. Then you tell me. A plus B equal to 5. A plus B is greater than 5. A plus B is less than 5. A plus B. A plus B. A plus B. That's enough. What I'm going to do is, I wrote A plus B is not equal to. I wrote 5 examples. Tell me out of this 5 examples, how many equations I wrote? I wrote 5 examples. Out of these 5, which are equations, which are expressions? So guys, all these are expressions.
Expression is
In algebra, everything you write is expression. You write 5a, expression. If you write 7 minus 1a, everything is expression in algebra. Okay? Whatever you write in algebra is expression. But out of this, which are the equations? Tell me Vedant, tell me Kanak, tell me Jia, Priyanka. Which are the equations here?
first.
First. So guys, out of all this, only first one is the equation. Why? Why Vedant?
Sorry, because there is a
Equal
in
to
all
sign.
the other ones. There is not. Sorry, there. I don't know how to explain it, but
You are saying
there is
in
an.
every other expression, there is no equal to sign.
Yeah, that's what I meant
So
to say.
that's
I
why you are
couldn't-
right. So only first one is equation. This is not equation. This is not equation. This is not equation. This is not equation. Even when there is no equal to sign, it is called inequation, not equation. So tell me Priyanka, tell everyone Priyanka, explain to everyone Priyanka, what is equation? Yes Priyanka, what is an equation?
So equation is in which the is equal
An
equal.
equation is that expression.
The equation is that expression that in the is equal sign
Ah.
is
That has equal sign. Correct? Understood? Jia, what is equation?
Equation is when there is an equal sign.
Equal sign. Give me one example of
An
equation. Kanak.
expression.
Very good, Jia. Kanak, give me one example of equation to all of us. Kanak.
1 plus 2 equals 3.
1 plus 3 equal to 4 is equation. 1 plus 3x equal to 3 is equation because there is a equal to sign. Yes, Naja.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, ask me, Naja.
Sir, so only equation has answers like a plus b equals to 5.
Yes.
Hmm.
Only equation can be solved. Expression can be simplified, not solved. Very good question. Very nice question. Only equation can be solved. Expression can be only simplified. We'll talk about it. Yes, Vedant. You asking something, Vedant? No. So, everybody is clear about equations and expression. But guys, in algebra, this is okay, this is okay, this is okay. The most important is these two. The most important in algebra is terms and coefficients. Okay? Terms and coefficients. So I am going to erase this because I want to spend a lot of time on terms and coefficients. Terms and coefficients. Please pay special attention. I am going to spend 5 minutes on this at least. Terms are the most important in my opinion, algebra. Now if I write 2x plus 3y equal to 5. It's an equation, right? Priyanka? Berenk? So what are terms? Terms are separated by plus or minus or equal. That's it. So there is a plus here, separation. Is equal to here, separation. You just say one term, two term, three. There are three terms. First term is 2x, second term is 3y, third term is 5. Terms are separated by plus, minus, or equal. You will say, sir, three terms. If I write y equal to 5000 t, how many terms are there? Yes, everybody on unmute, please. How many terms are there?
1,
Two terms.
2, 2.
One term is y, one term is equal to. Terms are separated by plus, minus, or equal to. If I say 1 minus k equal to 4t plus z minus 99v, tell me, Jia, how many terms are there?
5,
5 terms. Simple thing is separate with plus, minus, equal to. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, 5 term. Yes, please. Very good, Jia. Even if we don't write an equation, if I write expression 5x minus 3y minus 2z, this is also expression. How many terms are there, Kanak?
3 terms.
3 terms. 5x is one term, 3y is second term, 2z is third. Now the confusion. If I write 7 times k plus 5 equal to v, how many terms are there now? Who will tell me? Confusion starts now. Yes, Naja. Yes, Mayank. One by one.
Sir, is it 4?
4 terms. Mayank, how many terms?
Sir, 4.
4. Vedant, how many terms?
4.
4. Jia,
3,
3. Priyanka,
So 3.
Kanak,
3.
3. So some people say 4, some people say 3. Yes, Vedant.
Sorry, I didn't know that you couldn't for terms they can't be separated by multiplication.
Correct.
Can I-
So there are only 3 terms, right, Vedant? So this is one term. Multiply is not a separator. So one term, second term, third term, right? Naja? There are only 3 terms because multiplication is not a separator. Only plus, minus, equal to. Not multiplication, not division. So only 3 terms. So why I'm saying term? Because the most important part is this. Let's give 2 more examples before we start the real algebra. Y divided by 5 equal to 3. How many terms are there, everybody? Right on chat. Yes, Naja. Naja, tell me. Mayank, tell me.
Sir, 2.
2. Mayank. How many terms, Mayank? 2. First term is this. Second term is this. That's it. Plus, minus, equal to 4 a moment. Okay? That's it. Tomorrow, if I say 9,000 ABC, how many terms are there? Tell me. Who will tell me? Priyanka, how many terms are there?
So 2.
2. Vedant?
One.
Only one term, guys. That's it. There's no plus minus in between. But Priyanka, if I write this, it becomes 2 terms. If I write this, still a single term. If I write this, still a single term. If I write this, 2 terms. Understood the point? If I write this, still 2 terms. Who separates the terms? Plus, minus, equal. Clear? I want everyone to do one thing. No, that you will do. Just tell me how many terms are there. 5ab equal to 9 minus 4 times k. Tell me how many terms. Everyone.
Sir, 3.
Jia,
3,
3. Naja,
Sir, 3.
3. Kanak,
3.
3. Because 1, 2, 3. So terms everybody understood. If you understood term, then the coefficient. Okay? So let's understand what is coefficient. Very easy thing, guys. Very easy thing. 2a plus 3b equal to 9. How many terms are there with us?
3 terms.
3 terms. So what are the coefficient? Coefficient is the numerical part of each term. Coefficient is the numerical part of each term, or the number before the term, or that is what is coefficient. For example, what is coefficient of A here? 2. What is coefficient of B here? 3. There is no coefficient here because there is no variable. Coefficients are always for variables. So what is coefficient of A? How many A's? 2A. How many B's? 3B. If I say 45G plus 11K equal to 500T, what are the coefficients of each term? Jia, what is coefficient of first term?
G.
G is the
Oh,
variable.
45.
45 is the coefficient. Mayank, what is the coefficient of second term?
Sir, 11.
Correct. Kanak, what is the coefficient of the last term?
500.
500. But guys, the most common mistake, you are right. But the most common people made mistake in algebra is positives and negatives. If I change this quotient to this, what is the coefficient of second term now? It is not 11, it is negative 11. Why it's negative 11? You will say, sir, this is my first term, this is my second term, this is my third term, correct? Sign belongs to the terms. Coefficient of K is negative 11. Coefficient is the numerical part of term, but negative or positive depending on. Yes, Vedant.
So when you change it to negative, can you still separate it with the subtraction sign?
Yes. This is a separate term. We'll talk about it more. Yes, man.
Sir, if there is variable, then only there is coefficient. No?
Correct. If there is a variable, because there is no coefficient for this. 9 is a constant. So let's do a lot of questions on this now, okay? I'll ask one question to each of you. First question will start with Vedant. Vedant, tell me coefficient of each term. Fast.
Okay, so 5a is 5, negative 3b is negative 3, and negative 2k is negative 2.
Perfect. Priyanka, tell me. No, I'm giving a difficult question because I want people to learn, okay? How many terms are there, Priyanka?
So 7b becomes 7.
What is the term? How many terms are there? 3?
Yes, sir.
What is the coefficient of A? Is a variable. The coefficient of A is how many A? 1.
So
Correct?
1.
Guys, note down. This is the most difficult question. How many A's? 1 A. So 1.
1.
Because generally, do we write like this? No. We write like this. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Coefficient of A is 1. What is the coefficient of this?
So 7 by 2.
Good. Clap everybody. This was difficult. Coefficient of B is 7 over 2 because how many B's? 7 by 2B. And what is the coefficient of C?
So negative 1.
Super. That's why I asked you the difficult question. Got it, guys? Once you understand this question, every question you can do. Coefficient of A is 1 because it is 1A. Coefficient of B is how many B's? 7 by 2. How many C? 1C. Correct? Negative 1. The coefficients are 1, 7 by 2, minus 1. Note down this. I'm going to ask you next question for Zia. Everybody note down this. I'm going to ask one question to each of you. Jia will do, then Kanak will do, then Nida, and then Ben. The next question is for Jia. Are you ready? 40
Yes.
n minus 10 j for Jia equal to minus 200. How many terms are there, Jia?
So 40n would be just 40.
40 is the coefficient.
And then negative 10j would be negative 10. And then it would be negative 200.
Constant. No term.
Oh, X, right?
X means nothing. Actually, I should write nothing.
Okay.
Or not applicable. Why? Because constant doesn't have coefficient. Constants are definitely constant, right? There is no way. There is a variable here? No.
No.
No coefficient. You will say no coefficient. Okay?
So it's nothing.
Yes.
Okay.
Coefficients are always only for variable. Very good, Jia. Very good. Next is Kanak. Minus 11k. I am telling all your number. Your 5 by 3 equal to t by. I am going to ask you difficult because I know you know it. How many terms are there?
3 terms.
3 terms. First term is negative 11k. What is the coefficient of this?
Negative 11.
Perfect. What about this? Nothing.
Nothing.
Because it's a constant. Well, what is the coefficient of?
1/5.
Wow, Kanak, so good. Why 1/5? Because t by 5 means 1t, right? So 1/5. Got it, guys? t/5 means 1t. So 1/5. Coefficient means that numerical part of the term. Kanak, super. Naja, your turn.
Sir,
5,000 Naja, n minus 3v equal to p. Tell me, Naja, how many terms are there?
sir, 3.
Good. What are the coefficients of each?
Sir, N,
Is
8 is 5,000.
correct. How much coefficient of v?
3,
Sign is important.
minus 3. Sorry,
What is coefficient of p?
1.
That's it. So easy. Perfect. Mayank, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
M, okay, 5m minus 33n gives you 500k. Tell me.
Sir, there are 3 terms.
Perfect.
Sir, 5 and sir 5 minus 33. Sir, 500.
Clear? It's all about what is the coefficient. So let's do some hard question. Everybody write on chat. I do 5 questions. I want to see how many you can do all 5 correct. Okay? Just write the coefficient. You just write a coefficient on the chat. Everyone, okay? Fast. What is the coefficient of minus 3k by 5? Tell me quickly on chat.
Sir, we don't have to change the sign now.
No. Just write the chat. What is the coefficient? Vedant, you are correct. Kanak, you are correct. Naja, you are correct. Jia, you are correct. Answer is negative 3/5. Good. What is coefficient of y/100? Vedant good. Mayank good. Kanak good. Fast. Naja good. Priyanka good. Jia very good. 1/100. Tell me the coefficient of v here. Okay, Kanak good. Mayank good. Vedant, Jia, Naja. Who's missing? Priyanka. So the answer is, tell me what is coefficient of this. Okay, Mayank, good. Yes, Vedant. Yes, Jia. So the coefficient is no coefficient. It's a constant, right? Naja, Priyanka? Yes, Priyanka, correct. No coefficient. Naja, good. Everybody is correct. Tell me what is the coefficient of 1.17k? So good. 1.17 is the answer. So it's very easy, right? Tell me, you are right. What is the coefficient of this? Root 3a. What is the coefficient of this? I know, difficult to write on the chat. You can speak out. Yeah, that were correct. That was correct.
Root-
Root 3. Yes,
Root 3.
yes, correct, Jia. The answer is root 3. What is the coefficient of? I am going to increase the level. Minus b by root 5. Let's see who does it right. What is the coefficient of this term?
Sir, minus 1 by
Minus 1 by root 5.
Oh, wow. You guys are expert. So easy. Anybody, any question on coefficient? Because this is what you use in all the algebra for next 10 years, okay? Tell me, how is it? Any question? So, Jia, is it crystal clear?
Yes, sir.
Because it is what you need in every algebra. So, let's learn next topic now. I'm going to give you a lot of homework on algebra, okay? Maybe 30, 40, 50 questions. Lot of. I want your algebra to be strong. Now, for next 10 minutes, we are going to learn add and subtract terms. Guys, next important thing of algebra is adding and subtracting terms or expression. Both are same because expression become more, many terms together become expression, right? Before we do add and subtract terms, let's understand one rule. What are like terms? Unlike. If you understand this, you are all good. Like terms has same variable, different. Okay? If I give an example, guys, this is a very easy but very powerful thing. The example of this is 4a and 11a are like terms because the variable is a. But 4a and 4b are different because variable is different. Number doesn't matter. Number doesn't matter. Variable matters. Similarly, I'll give you another example in the red. Even if I say 7v and v, they are like terms because variable is what? V. Here, example is 7 and 7v. They are not like terms because in the first one no variable, second one v. Guys, like terms means same variable. Simple. Even I'll give one more example, different color, so that you can differentiate. If I say 5ab and negative 2000 ab, guys, this is also like terms. Why? First one is ab, second also is ab. So, like terms. Number doesn't matter. Variable matters. But if I give example here, if I say 5ab and say b, not like that. First has ab as the variable, second was only b. No, please tell me how many you understood, how many you. Because the idea is, if variable is same, then only you can say, sir, it is same like that. Tell me. Gia, you understood? Ask me now.
Yes. So, like term is when there's two same
Exactly same
variables.
variable.
Yeah. And unlike is when they're
Let me stop.
not two same different
Perfect.
variables.
Number doesn't matter. If I say a by 5, and if I say 500 a by 400, still they are like so a. But
Sir,
yes, please, man.
sir, sign also doesn't matter, no?
No, sign doesn't matter. Variable matter. But are this like terms or not like terms? Tell me, Vedant. Tell me, please. Is this a like term or not a like term? Unlike term or like term? Tell me, Vedant. Tell me, Priyanka. 5a and 5 capital A are like terms or like terms?
unlike.
Unlike, because This is
There's
small a, this is
capital and
capital A. Yes. Symbols are exactly what you write. You cannot say small and capital. No. Clear? They are two different variables. Like term is exactly same variable. Are you ready to do 10 questions? I'll take a 2 minutes pause because I want to get to sink in. Because this is the thing to require add and subtract. Like terms, unlike terms. We also call them similar term, non-similar term. Kanak, are you clear? Good. Like terms, unlike. Can I erase it, Mayank? So, erase. Group below in like terms. Means whatever like all together. Okay. I'm going to write lot of. You tell me what group content. Okay. I'm going to write so many. First look at all of them and then tell me. Minus 7a, b, 22b by 5, 11a, 22. I'm going to make it difficult, okay? Minus a by 4, 16ab, minus 5a, 100 ea, 16 AC, and I'm going to put one more and say 2.5. Okay, I wrote so many terms. Let's say I'll use different coloring. Okay, say this is red. Sorry, say this is red. How many terms are like terms with -7? Think about it. Tell me. This 7a is one term. Out of all this, which terms are like terms together? Without tell me.
11a,
Correct, because variable is same.
because the variable is the same.
Any
And
more?
negative 5a.
Good. Any more?
Negative a, actually, wait.
Think about it. Anybody else?
No.
Okay. Any other like terms to this grade group? Naja, Jia?
Negative a by 4.
Correct, because it is also term with a. Sign doesn't matter, as Mayank said, sign doesn't matter. Any other like term with this red group? No? Good. Priyanka, what is the second group we should start?
So 22b upon
So
upon
let's say second group is a green group. Sorry. Let me make it different color. So let's start second group with green. Okay. Tell me at least one which can come in the green group.
So 22b upon 5.
22b upon 5 because it has b. Correct.
So 16,
Yes, please.
16ab.
16ab is also green because it's AB. But are you sure it is 16AB and 22b by 5 is correct? What do you think, Vedant? What do you think, Kanak, Jia, Mayank? I have put as of now 2 terms in green, which is B and 22b by 5.
2.5b would be green.
2.5b will be green because number doesn't matter.
The variable.
The quotient still remains. Priyanka and others. 16ab will come here or no? Vedant is saying no. Priyanka, what do you say? Still? Yes,
No.
It will not come because it's a AB. You are looking for only B's. Perfect. Kanak, what is the third group will form? I'll form third group with AB, okay? So Kanak, I am in third group, black group. AB. Any term will be
Okay.
combined with this?
100 BA.
Very good. Why? Very nice, correct. Why it is same? Explain to all of us.
Because only the variables are changed.
Only
Because
where exchange. So order does not matter. What Connect is saying, sir, you write AB or you write BA doesn't matter. It has A, it has B. Got it, guys? The idea is order doesn't matter. You write AB, you write BA, you write ABC, you write BAC, doesn't matter. But both should be there. Perfect. Anything else will combine the black group, guys? No. So we have red group, we have green group, we have black group. Who is left out? 22 cannot be combined. 16 as it cannot be combined. Okay. You take a photo of this or write down because I want you to understand this. Like terms, only variable should be. Is everyone crystal clear? वेदांत नजार crystal clear? मतलब क्या है नया? जो बिल्कुल सेम वेरिएबल होगा उसी को ऐड, उसी को we can combine. Perfect. Thank you. So now, okay, I'll give you 30 seconds, 20 seconds to note down this. And now we are going to start add and subtract. So easy. Add and subtract. See, maths is easy if you want to make it. You know my favorite quote? Maths is easy if you want to make it. So, tell me, Jia, when you are done, I'll erase it. Take your time. Anybody, any question till now? Raja, Kanak, Priyanka, Vedant? No.
I'm done, so.
Done. So let's do now the most important topic which all you will get in your school, add and subtract.
Sir, 1 minute.
Yes, please. Add and subtract terms.
Sir, एक बार वो वाला वापस लाइए ना.
वापस लिखना है तुम्हें?
Yes, sir.
अरे फोटो ये रहा मिल गया, लकीली मिल गया. Okay. Add and subtract terms. Guys, there is only one rule. And you will be happy to know there is only one rule. You know what is that rule? Only one rule, guys. Yes, Naja. Only like terms can be added or subtracted, nothing else. That's the rule. Because you
Sure,
learned
done.
about like term. Okay. So guys, write down this. If you have to add or subtract, you can only add, subtract like term, not term. Believe me, many people don't know that. Only the like terms can be added, subtracted, not others. So I'm going to erase this and then we are going to do a lot of questions in that. Only like terms can be added. Enjoying, guys, till now? Jia, how is your first experience?
It's really good. I'm having fun.
Thank you. Good. Naja, all clear? You can smile if you want. Good. So let me erase. Mayank, shall I erase? So rule kya hai, Mayank? Only like terms can be added. Means what? Example. If I say 5a, acha, first thing is, algebra is similar to the normal math. We know 5 plus 2 is what? 7, we know. Instead of 5a, I say 5a,
Sir,
say 2a, 7. Same, right? Yes, ma'am.
sir, only like term can be added and subtracted, not other.
Right. So, if I say 5a plus 2a, you will say, sir, it's normal maths. 5 plus 2 is 7, so 7a. Tomorrow, if I say 8b minus 3b, sir, what big deal? Like term, 8 minus 3 is 5. Is there anything new here? Yeah, no, right? The only new thing is like terms, sir. Tomorrow, even if I say 2k plus 5k minus 3k, Jia will say, sir, it's a basic maths. I know 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 minus 3 is 4. 4. Which 4? 4k. Because my mind says like terms are I can add. But the moment if I say how much is 4k plus 5, you can't. Why? Because this has k, this don't have k. Correct? You cannot add this. So you'll say, sir, it is same, no change. I can't do anything. Even if I say 4k plus 3b plus 2, can we add or subtract here anything? No. All are unlike. Correct? And the real example of all this is, no need to write, guys. I'm going to give you. The real example of this kind of thing is 2a plus 5b plus 3a plus 2b. Now you have to apply. You cannot do directly. Yes, Vedant.
Sorry, you can finish. I just wanted to ask a question.
Sure. Now you can say, sir, I'll combine the like terms. 2a and 3 are like terms. What is 2 plus 3? 5.
5.
And I can combine these two. 5b and 2b is 7. So my answer is this. First time in your life, you will see your answer will be not one number, it's a big expression. You never saw any arithmetic, right? You get a very sweet answer, right? 5, 10, 20, 0. In algebra, you'll get answer as a big expression. Yes, Vedant.
Sir, over the summer, I did a math class as well.
Okay,
And I learned something similar to this,
okay, that's good.
but I don't really remember it. So thank you. I just wanted to ask, like, you, sorry, when they're the same, but they're after another variable that's different, you already showed it, but that was my question. Can you
I
like
think,
go?
I think your question was like that, is 5ab and 5ba or for say 3b, are they like terms or not, right?
Yeah, no, I'm saying like for this, you know how you showed 2a and then 5b
Yes.
and then another a. I was
Yes.
just asking if you could change, like you could add 2a plus 3a when they're like separated and not beside each other.
Yes, we can do that. So it can write in any order. Even if I write 3a, 2a first, the rule is simple, Vedant. Like term should be added. So first you identify which are the like terms. This is like term, this is like. You can add them. Whichever way. So wait for 2-3 more questions. Maybe your doubt will be clear. Otherwise, you can ask me again exactly what. Okay, Vedant? Yes, Balaja.
So if we write like 2a plus a3, is it the same?
Oh, that is what Vedant was asking.
Yes.
Like interchangeable.
So it's a very good question, Vedant, and very good question, Naja. Thank you for helping me out to solve Vedant question. She asking 2a plus a3. So guys, I'll tell you. This is a very good question. I never told anyone. This is not wrong. But the basic rule in maths is, instead of writing a3, you write 3a. Number first and alphabet second.
Right.
Very good, Naja. Thank you. And Vedant, no, I understood. Because I never thought that somebody can think like that. So that's why I love people, because everybody has different perspective. So guys, we don't write number afterwards. We don't write a3, we write 3. So better way of writing is 3. Got it? So now,
I have a question.
yes, Nijia.
So if we do 2ab plus 3ba, would that be a like term?
Yes, because you write AB or B, it doesn't matter. So the answer can be 5AB or the answer can be 5BA, both are same.
Okay.
You can always interchange in the same term the variables. For example, if I write 5ABC or write 5BCA or write 5CAB, all are same.
Okay.
Order is not important. In fact, the way Vedanta say, I can write like this also, but this is not popular. You can write like this also, but it's not popular. Yes, Vedanta.
So after when you add those three, 5ABC, 5BCA, and 5CAB, can you choose any 3 of those variables to place it as? So
Right.
15 ABC, or it doesn't
Again,
matter?
I can use the 4th one, okay, write this. But again, the the good etiquette is write alphabetic. You can add in any way.
Order?
Alphabetical.
Okay.
So best way is this. But it is not wrong if you write CBA or CAB or ABC, doesn't matter. But good habit is alphabetical. It's for you. You can easily arrange them. That's why. I am very happy today. You know why? Because Jia, Naja, Vedant asking very nice questions. Very good. Like small but very important questions. So nice. Shall we move on to do some questions on this now, which will give more ideas? Let's try. Everybody write answer on the chat. Add 7A with 3A. Tell me the answer. You can tell me orally also. You're on mute. 7A plus 3A is 10. Let me make it add subtract so that we can do varieties. Tell me 5 plus 2A plus 1 plus 4B plus C. I directly start higher level. Tell me this answer. Let's, who can simplify this? Everybody try to write on the chat. 5 plus 2A plus 1 plus 4B plus 2B. Rule is
Oh, sorry,
write some
sir.
can be added.
Sir, I have a I made a
Yes,
mistake.
You can write again. Kanak answer is okay. Mayank, we cannot change small to capital now. No. Okay, so everybody answer is little different. Order is okay, but little different. I'll tell you my answer. I'll combine number with number. 5 and 1 is 6. 2A, there is no A term. I write 2A as it is. These two can combine. I can say 6B. 6 plus 2A plus 6B. So you can add in any order. You can say 2A plus 6B plus 6. You can say 6B plus 6 plus 2A. You can say 6 plus anything, but 3 terms. Yes,
So usually my teacher says to put the variables first. Is that also fine?
yes.
Okay, so like 2A and 6B first before 6.
So the better way of writing is this: 2A plus 6B plus 6. The best way. Others are not wrong, but a way. But the answer has to be same, guys. Order can be different. So let's try now more difficult questions. I want to see how many can do all the questions. 12K minus 3 plus 2C plus K plus 5. I'm not finished yet. Okay. Plus 7C minus 1. Tell me answer. Take your time and tell me. 12K minus 3 plus 2C plus K plus 5 plus 7C minus 1. Simple thing is take one variable. Either take C or K. Then take the second variable, then take the constant. That's it. K minus 3 plus 2C plus K plus 5 plus 7C minus 1. Kanak wrote her answer, okay. Mayank wrote his answer, okay. I'll write my answer and then you can verify. Once you do 5 questions like this, na, it's all easy. Should I write my answer now? First, I start with K. 12K. No. Yes. 12K plus K, 30. I am done with the K. Now I am going to with C. 2C. No. Yes. 2C plus 7C. I know it is 9C. I am done with the C. Now I am going to do the numbers. Okay. Negative 3, 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Let's see how many got it exact. Anybody got it exact same answer or not? 13k plus 9c plus 1. Everything else is wrong. Good,
Sir,
Karan.
how 1?
So how 1? Negative 3 plus 5. What is 5 minus 3? 2. And what is 2 minus 1?
1.
1.
So 1 is positive 1 or
Okay.
negative 1? That's
But
Kanak, very nice. So guys, let's understand. Let's practice and understand. Let's do. Let's see who does. This is a simple question. I want to see how many of you can do it right in first time. Very simple question. Okay. 5v minus v. Past. Okay. Good. Vedant and Kanak are correct. I thought. Okay. Okay. Naja says not possible. Jia says 4. 4v. Okay. 4v. Okay. 4. Man says 4. 4v. First of all, they are like terms or not? They are. So what is 5? What is 1v? 1v means 1v, right, Naja? Correct. 5v minus 1v is 4v. But a lot of people do mistake. But if I say like this, 5v minus 5, what's the answer now? This will give you a little bit idea about how maths works. 5v minus 5. Via says 0, Vedant says v. Can't happen. Kanak says. Kanak, you are
Sorry.
become expert, Kanak. 5v minus 5 is 5v minus 5 only. You can't do anything. Because both are unlike terms. Unlike terms, right? You can't
Yes.
separate 5 from 5v. Yeah, no. It's not
Yes.
0 also. It's not 0 also.
okay.
0 will be now, if you say. Yeah, no, you'll say. Correct? See, the rule is simple. Only like terms can be combined. Are these like terms, Jia?
No, sir.
Vedant is not like term, right? We can't combine. So let's move on now. Thank you, everyone. Let's try 2 questions more. 12a plus 3b plus 5 plus b minus a minus 1 minus 2 minus, let's say minus 2b minus 3ab. Let's see who does it right. Okay. It's like fun. You keep doing it, right? It's a challenge. Our own challenge. Okay. Correct. Full rightful question. You wrote first time only. By mistake, I think. A plus 3b plus 5 plus b minus a minus 1 minus 2b minus. It's a big question. Kanak says something. Okay. Kanak, you're doing fast algebra. How come? Tell me secret. Kanak. Yes, please.
I'm a little confused. So I know that 12a and 12a plus a would be 13a, and then 3b plus b would be 4b. So then 5,
But this is
Would it-
negative a, right?
yes,
Will you add or
So-
subtract?
minus. So it would be 11a, and then it would be 4b,
So we'll
and
combine
then
these two. So 11. You're right. Then you combine 3b with b. 4b?
Yes.
4b
Yes.
minus 2b.
Okay.
Because all like term has to come. We're done with the a, we're done with the b, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Do we have any ab term? Nothing.
Do we have
We'll do
No
numbers,
terms.
but there is no ab term except the last term, right?
yes.
We cannot combine last term with anything else, right?
Yes.
To write as it is. No a
Okay.
are gone, b are gone, ab are gone. Who is remaining? Numbers.
Mm-hmm.
Plus 5 and minus 1 is how much?
4.
So plus 4, right?
Yes.
So the answer is 11a plus 2b minus 3ab plus 4. No, ask me, you are confused.
Okay.
Vedant, you are right. You are right, Naja. Priyanka, good? Confusion, Priyanka?
No, sir.
No, sir. Have you ever been to Jaipur, Priyanka?
No, sir.
It's nearby to you.
Yes, sir.
So shall we do next question quickly, guys? Mayank, 11a plus 2b minus 3ab plus 4. Very good, Mayank. Very good.
Sir, but my answer is different.
But no, it's you understood, right? So Mayank, the rule is combine same 12a with minus a. What is 12a minus a? 11a.
Yes, sir.
3b and negative 2b. 3b minus 2b
Yes,
plus
sir.
b. So it's all same term. We are doing the common terms which are like. Let's try the next one. 5p plus 3q plus q minus p plus what plus 3 minus 2p. Try. Five p plus 3q plus q minus p plus 3 minus q. Okay, Kanak. Okay, Vedant. Only thing is we can't change, guys, small to big or big to small. We should always keep it same. Okay. Naja, how will we solve this?
Sir,
5p.
so
So which all can you combine with 5p? This way.
5p minus p minus 2p.
Correct. So 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So we are done with the p's. Let me remove that.
Sir, 2p plus 4q plus 3.
Okay. Naja, next what?
3q plus q
Is
is 4q.
4. And now what is remaining is only the number which everybody happily will say, sir. Right?
Three.
You can't combine? Can't combine. Answer is 2p plus 4q plus 3. That's it. Good. Everyone is very good. Jia, good.
Yes, sir. So, one question.
Yes,
When
please.
there's a number left, so after solving the equation, like 5p minus p minus 2p, and then 3q plus q, after solving that, whatever is left, we just put it. We don't do
Right.
anything with it.
Whatever is left. If number is left, put as it is. If suppose there was a question which says minus 2t, you can't combine. Put as it is. You cannot combine. Put as it is.
Okay.
That's okay. Good. So let's try. Everybody. 11ab plus 2abc minus 5ba plus 2bc plus 3BCA minus CB. Try. Let's see who can do this correct. Okay, take your time, use all the concepts we learned till now and try this. Rule is like terms can be added. That's it. Vedant is so fast, his answer is this, okay. Then what happened to your hand? I just saw. You got hurted? With your hand or something?
Me?
Huh?
Me?
Uh-huh. Vedant?
Oh yeah, I was playing basketball and I fell backwards and
Oh.
I hit my head in my hand on the ground.
So guys, but still see his commitment. He is like not for 100% fit, but he's still in the class. I'm very happy with that. I really love this kind of good guys. Give a big
Thank
hand to Vedant, everyone. Clap for him, guys. He is not well. It's very difficult to write, and he's still writing. He's saying his neck also is very nice. Keep it up. Take rest after the class, okay? So, Jia, how will you solve this? Explain to me.
Okay, so first I will do 11AB minus 5BA,
Correct. How many it is?
which is 6BA or AB.
So let's write alphabetically. Same.
And then I'll do 2ABC plus 3BCA,
Very good.
which is 5ABC.
Correct. But which sign will put before 5? Plus or minus?
Plus, I think so.
Because plus
No.
2ABC plus 3BC. So plus 5BC. Correct.
Yes. And then we'll do 2BC minus CB, which is 2 minus 1, which is 1.
Right? Perfect. Got it, guys? The answer is 6AB plus 5ABC plus BC. That's it. Nothing. That's it. It's all about only one rule we are using. Like terms. Yes, ma'am.
Sir, BC or 1BC is same now?
BC and 1BC is same. Like I say Mayank or 1 Mayank are same. Correct, Mayank? I can say Mayank or I can say 1 Mayank. Very simple. Very good. Any question, anyone? Let's do who can do this. Last question of the day. Tell me who is ready for challenge. You all try. I'll give a small question, okay? Very small question, if you don't mind. A minus 2AB plus 3AB plus 4 minus 5B plus 6AB plus 7B minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. That's it. Very simple question and small question. Okay. Right, I get smallest question, right? Try, all of you. The challenge, how many can you do it? A minus 2AB plus 3ABC minus 4 minus 5B plus 5AB plus 7BC minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus B minus. I know in your school level you will not get that big, but if you can do this one, then it's all clear. Today Mishita is missing.
So I have a question.
Yes, please.
So first, I am going to start off with doing 2AB plus 5AB, or is it negative?
It is negative 2AB plus 5AB or 5AB minus 2AB, whichever you say. For
2AB
example,
plus 5AB.
So I'll give an analogy to everyone. So guys, if we say minus 3 plus 5, or we can say 5 minus 3, they are same, right?
Okay.
You think everything as a term. You write it in any order. So that is more easy. Okay, Vedant wrote something, Kanak wrote something, okay, good. Kanak, which grade you are studying now?
Year 7.
Year 7. You are doing very good. That's nice. A minus 2AB plus 3ABC minus 4 minus 5B plus 5AB plus this. This is a very big question. So today we are taking 5 or 10 minutes more. Okay, guys? Shall I start explaining slowly?
No, sir.
No, sir.
I think I got the answer.
Very nice. Let's see. I'll wait for 10 seconds more and then start one by one. First, I'm going to start with.
Sir, I got answer.
Very good. I'm going to first start with the biggest variable, which is ABC. You can write in any order. So, guys, 3ABC and 7BC. Like terms, correct? So, I'll write 3 plus 7, 10. ABC. Correct till now? Everything is okay? ABC.
Yes.
Now, there is no ABC. Now, I'll start with AB term. Let me use different color. I'm going to use. This is AB. This is AB. And this is also AB. Wow. What I'm going to do is, I'll say 5AB minus 2AB. 3AB. 3AB minus AB. 2AB. Correct or not? Okay. I done with ABC, I done with AB. Yes, Zia.
I got 6AB because I did 2AB plus 5AB, which was 7.
2AB is
And
negative.
then,
No, this is negative. Na?
oh, okay.
Negative 2 plus 5 is how much?
3.
Correct. And 3 minus 1.
Okay, so that's that right.
So ABC is done, AB is done. Now what we'll do? Now only remaining is B and constant. Let's try with B. Negative 5B and negative B, guys. Negative 5 and negative 1. Correct? Integer operation. Negative 5 and negative 1 is how much? Negative 6, correct? Right, Gia? Negative 5 and negative 1. Negative 6. More negative. Integer operation.
Isn't it negative 4B?
Negative 5, negative 1. It's like that. It's the rule of integers. What is the answer of this?
Negative.
Because Georgia is about integer operations. We can discuss some integer operations. If I write this is different. Negative 5 plus 1. We'll talk about integer operation later because I covered in some classes in my other courses. But if you people feel, I'll tell you what is integer operation. If both are negative, we have to add. One negative, one positive, subtract.
Okay.
So we are done with negative 6b. Then what is remaining? A is nothing, so only A plus A. We're done with this also. Only remaining are the constants. -4, -1, -5, -7, -8. This is the final answer, which is a very weird answer. But that is how maths works, right? So some of you may get different. I don't worry. Don't worry about answers. Point is, because this is a high level question, how you can add or subtract terms. And it requires some integer operations. Plus with plus, plus with minus, minus with minus, minus with plus. So if you want, in the next class, first 5 minutes, we can cover integer operations. But one of you, GI, you have to remind me tomorrow, okay? So I'll tell you how to do integer operations. I'll give 4 examples, you can do all the questions. But apart from that, the idea here is like terms to it. Any question before we close? Today I've taken 15 minutes extra. So hope it will be beneficial for all of you. Tell me any question. Good. So whatever I have said today, you made your notes. Please revise. Very good, Mayank. Mayank got the correct answer. He got correct answer. Very good, Mayank. So revise whatever we done today. It will be useful tomorrow. Okay. Fine. So thank you so much. We'll see you tomorrow. Same time.
Thank you,
Bye bye.
sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.